Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on your EveryDollar account. To change your EveryDollar account's username, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser and sign into your EveryDollar.com account. Here I've already been logged into my EveryDollar account after you are signed in. From the main homepage, go ahead and click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. After you open up the settings menu, tap on manage your account. Now click on the personal info tab from the top and then enter a new name for yourself in the first name and the last name tab if needed. Once you've done that, you can also fill in the rest of the information if you haven't done so already. And finally click on the save changes button. And that way you should be able to change your username on EveryDollar. That is how it can be easily done in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.